It's Nightish. Back again with new video. Ever wondered why some product photos grab your attention while others fade into the background? The secret often lies in the lighting. In our discussion on lighting tips for clean tech product photos, we'll uncover 5 techniques to transform your images, from ordinary to extraordinary. Understanding the importance of clean tech photos. When it comes to showcasing tech products, the visual narrative is just as crucial as the product itself. Clean tech photos not only highlight the sleek lines and innovative features of a gadget, but also create an emotional connection with potential buyers. Imagine scrolling through a website where every image is cluttered or poorly lit. It's easy to overlook even the most groundbreaking technology. High-quality, well-composed images can elevate a product's perceived value, drawing in tech enthusiasts who appreciate both aesthetics and functionality. Moreover, clean tech photos serve a practical purpose in today's fast-paced digital landscape. With countless brands vying for attention, first impressions are often made in seconds and make your product stand out amidst the noise, making it easier for consumers to visualize how it fits into their lives. They communicate professionalism and attention to detail, instilling confidence in potential buyers. In a world where consumers are increasingly discerning, investing in quality visuals isn't just beneficial. It's essential for capturing interest and fostering trust. Choosing the right light source for softness. When it comes to capturing the essence of tech product photos, the choice of light source can make all the difference in achieving that coveted softness. Natural light often reigns supreme for its ability to create an ethereal glow, but it's not always reliable. Instead, consider using diffused artificial lights, soft boxes, or LED panels with diffusion materials that can simulate that gentle daylight effect while giving you control over your setup. This not only helps eliminate harsh shadows but also accentuates the sleek contours of your gadgets, making them look even more appealing. Another game changer is the use of reflectors. By bouncing light back onto your subject, you can soften the overall appearance without losing detail. This technique is especially effective when working with metallic surfaces, where unwanted glare can distract from the product's features. If you're shooting in a studio, layering different light sources can help you craft the perfect ambiance. Think about adding a warm light source alongside cooler tones to create depth and dimension. Ultimately, experimenting with various light setups will allow you to discover what brings out the best in your tech products, turning ordinary shots into striking visuals that resonate with your audience. Positioning your lights for optimal effect. When it comes to tech product photos, the positioning of your lights can make all the difference between a bland shot and a stunning visual. Start by considering the source and angle of your light. Soft, diffused lighting is often more flattering than harsh, direct light. Experiment with placing your lights at a 45-degree angle to the product to create depth and highlight textures, which is crucial for showcasing intricate details on gadgets like smartphones or laptops. You might even want to try backlighting for certain products to create an ethereal glow that emphasizes contours and edges. Don't forget about the impact of shadows. Strategically using shadows can add dimension to your tech product photos, making them feel more three-dimensional and engaging. A simple trick is to use reflectors to bounce light back onto the product, softening those shadows while maintaining an intriguing visual dynamic. Finally, consider the background. A well-lit product against a contrasting backdrop can make your images pop. The right lighting setup not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also helps convey the quality and sophistication of the technology itself. Utilizing diffusers for gentle light. Spread. When it comes to capturing stunning tech product photos, the role of diffusers cannot be overstated. These simple tools are game changers, transforming harsh light into a soft, even glow that highlights the sleek lines and intricate details of your gadgets. Whether you're shooting a shiny smartphone or a complex gadget, using a diffuser helps eliminate those pesky shadows that can distract from your product's features. The result? A polished professional look that draws the viewer in. Using diffusers doesn't have to be complicated either. You can experiment with various materials like sheer curtains or specialized photography diffusers to see what works best for your space. Positioning your light source behind or to the side of the diffuser allows you to control the intensity and direction of the light, creating a more inviting atmosphere. This gentle light not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your tech products but also adds depth, making the colors pop and the textures stand out beautifully. So next time you set up for a shoot, consider reaching for a diffuser. It's an easy way to elevate your photography game. Incorporating reflectors for balanced illumination. Balanced illumination can make all the difference when it comes to capturing stunning tech product photos. One often overlooked tool in achieving this is the humble reflector. These versatile devices can help diffuse harsh shadows and bounce light back onto your subject, creating a more polished and professional look. By simply positioning a reflector opposite your primary light source, you can fill in those tricky shadow areas, enhancing the overall depth and dimension of your product shots. Experimenting with different types of reflectors, whether they're silver for a cooler tone or gold for a warm glow, can dramatically alter the mood of your images. Plus, using DIY options like white poster boards or even aluminum foil can give you that extra creative edge without breaking the bank. Don't underestimate the power of natural light either. A well-placed reflector can harness sunlight to illuminate your tech products beautifully, making them pop against any backdrop. Embracing reflectors not only elevates your photography game, but also invites viewers to connect more intimately with the tech you're showcasing. Common mistakes to avoid in lighting. When it comes to capturing tech product photos, lighting can make or break your shot. One common mistake is relying solely on natural light. While it can create beautiful images, it's unpredictable and varies throughout the day. Instead, consider using a combination of softbox lights and reflectors to achieve consistency and control over shadows. Another pitfall is neglecting the color temperature of your lights. Using bulbs with different color temperatures in the same shot can lead to an unappealing mix of warm and cool tones. Stick to one type of light source or adjust your camera settings accordingly to maintain color accuracy. Additionally, avoid placing your products too close to the light source, which can wash out details or create harsh highlights. Don't overlook background lighting. It can enhance depth and interest. Avoid cluttered backgrounds that compete with your tech products for attention. Always test different angles to find the most flattering light for your items. By steering clear of these mistakes, you'll elevate your tech product photos from mediocre to mesmerizing. Another pitfall is neglecting the color temperature of your lights. Using bulbs with different color temperatures in the same shot can lead to an unappealing mix of warm and cool tones. Stick to one type of light source or adjust your camera settings accordingly to maintain color accuracy. Additionally, avoid placing your products too close to the light source, which can wash out details or create harsh highlights. So here's the end. Hey, do you like our videos? We need more subscribers. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Besides, support our channel. One day, we will grow up together. Okay, best of luck. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.